letting young boys know that women cheat and women lie, because some of us learn these things later and just covered up blind. Whereas boys must know that your own mom, if she didn't cheat on your father, probably cheated on other gents. Your mom is not an angel. And you need to kill that thing in your head, because it's going to traumatize you later when you find out that chicks are cheating and they lie. And they can be just as toxic as men. And they're normally verbally and emotionally violent, whereas men are normally physically violent. And then just for much to go to church, read their Bible and pray, or go to Msamu, consult, speak to elders, slaughter if they need to, meditate, fast, walk in the sun, live a healthy life. Our moms and our grandmothers were not free. Our sisters, our girlfriends, our wives are free. They can come and go as they please. You can be married to a woman and she can sleep with other people. You know, Jada Pinkett, Will Smith, August Alsina. They can sleep with whoever they want. You cannot arrest them. They didn't break a law by cheating on you. You cannot beat them, because that is assault and you will get arrested. You can shout at them, but you must watch how you shout at them, because that's a form of verbal abuse, if not psychological and emotional abuse. But you can leave them. You can break up with them. You can divorce. That's what they tell men today. Hey, bro, just walk away. But the pain is there. And people do get violent. We've got a fancy term for it called GBV today, gender-based violence. But domestic violence has generally always existed. And depending on where you are in the world, in some places it's still allowed. It's like if your wife is out of hand, Baba, give her a backhand. We don't follow that in modernism. But it does come with these elements today now of too much freedom.
Hello, hi. Let's see how it work over here. Okay, women cheat, women lie. I agree. Let's teach our young boys that women cheat, women lie. Perfect. I've been doing that myself, you know. I've been teaching my son that before everything, before all the labels, we are all human beings. Treat human beings as human beings, because human beings, they will wake up tomorrow and they will be human beings. I was teaching him not to trust anyone, even me included. Don't trust me, son. I've disappointed myself. Nah. So I myself, I don't trust myself because I am human. Okay, I understand. Women do cheat. There are women who don't like that statement that women cheat. I don't know why they don't like it. But I've realized something. Women, they enjoy cheating when they are young. You see, body teenage phase, most women cheat. When they are young, most women cheat. I know I've cheated. Yes, I've cheated before when I was young, when I was a teenager. So I've realized that women, they only cheat most of the time around that time. So women, they don't like that linear women cheat, because maybe now she's been married or she's in a stable relationship for 5 years and she has never cheated on her husband, she has never cheated on the boyfriend. So women, they think when we say women cheat, we are talking about like them, or they personalize things. Women have this spirit of making everything about them. So they get offended easily when we say women cheat. It doesn't mean if you are faithful now, you've been faithful for 7 years to the man that you are in a relationship with, it doesn't mean you've never cheated on someone else. Someone else will come and tell us that I dated this woman cheated on me. That is the truth. And the truth is the truth. We're not going to change the truth. You understand? So I want women to understand that. On the other clip, Penuel Ubuaka, how women before, they were not free. Our grandmothers, they were not free. Huh? Ubuan need. But today, women can wake up. I can wake up and decide I'm gonna cheat on my husband if I'm not married. If I can decide to go cheat, or Musadi, I can go decide I'm gonna cheat on my wife if I have a wife. Fair. Now, on that part, I don't know ke nna or yang ne, but Penuel is like e boketenyana ha a bua wa bona for it's like there is something e sa duleng monate mo go ene, you know, that today the only advice that you will get as a man who has been cheated on, ke gore you must move on, you must just leave. That is the best advice. If we're gonna advise young boys that women lie, women cheat, men they should also know women lie, women cheat, and if it happens that your woman is cheating, leave if you want to leave. And to men, this is the easiest thing that men do. They do leave. But now I have a question, guys. You know we have the 10th commandment. Guys, are men excluded from the 10th commandment? Or men, they are the one who will wake up and make the decision that they're not going to be part of the 10th commandment? Because men, they literally exclude themselves from the 10th commandment, especially mo le mo o se ka feba. Guys, I'm telling you, our banna nkare ga batlama. So now I would like to know maybe somewhere mo Bibeleng go na le mo go kwadilweng maybe that women never do this type of sin, but it's okay for men. God, the Lord, I give men free will when it comes to this. I would like to know because now the 10th commandment all this time, can you believe for the 10th commandment, it is meant for all human beings. But the way men move, you will swear some of the rules there, they are only for us women. It's only for you people with boobs and VJJ. Do not commit a sin of adultery. But when it comes to them, it's okay. Remember, guys, Jesus himself, he gave us free will. As much as he gave us rules, he told us things that he doesn't align with. He told us, I don't like this, do this, do this. But also, on top of that, I can call myself a Christian and I know that I have a free will. Hmm? But when it comes to men, I don't know, it's like men, they don't believe that women, they deserve free will. See, women of yesterday, they were not allowed to do certain things. No, they were not allowed, but women, they will still do certain things. Let us be honest. There was too much GBV happening back then. There was too much, women, they used to get serious beating from men. Men used to F women up big time. Ne? But now, today, it's like men, they don't like the fact that they don't have that power that their grandfathers had. When a woman is doing something you don't like, our fathers, our grandfathers, they will do something about it. They will F you up, Musadi. You will get a beating because you will get a beating because you are asking monna dipotso go go tswa kae. But now today, it's like men today, they don't, I don't know whether you don't like the fact that you don't have that power, or you know that if you will give me a varam clap, I can wake up tomorrow like Casey because you are abusive. I don't know, like when I was listening to the other clip, it feels like no, they understand that women are human beings, but it's like there are things that we don't have to do, but we still do them. And then I'm saying that is the best thing, Pinewell. Leave. If you feel like this is too much for you, this woman, she's too disrespectful towards you, this woman, she cheated and then offended out, leave. Leave. If people know, because I think about men, they do forgive cheating, only if it is not out there. As long as it is not everybody's business. You know? Yeah, man, that was my take on the women cheat thing. Women cheat, women lie. I agree. I'm not disagreeing with anything he is saying. It's just that I even like what he said when he said, just because today you are faithful to this man, it doesn't mean you've never cheated on the other one. Because that is the problem with us women. You think when a statement is being put out there, it is out there to attack you. That's why you will start now saying, not all women, because women do that a lot, not all women. And the same woman, she will wake up and say, hi, men are this, men are that, men are this. And now we don't fight because we know not all men are whatever. We know that not all men cheat. But even if I will find a man who will be faithful to me, it doesn't mean that that man, he's been faithful. There is a woman out there who knows the bad side. Ya monna o. So that's what we are saying. You are faithful today. We are happy that you are faithful. And I've chilled with married women. Some, they do cheat. Some, they will tell you it's because this man doesn't want to change. There's one who told me straight up, ever since I started cheating, I have peace of mind. I had depression, but ever since I started cheating, I'm okay. I'm not saying this is the right thing to do. I am not saying that. The other one told me, Hore, Monna never find out, but Monna will forgive her because that man put her through the most. So, hey, we do things differently. We have different rules. So tell me what you think, especially about the 10th commandment, Oscar Faber. See you on the next one.